Welcome to Aches Away. Whether this is your first float therapy session or you're an experienced floater, we want this to be a great experience for you. So, if you're ready to learn more, here are some pre-float tips. Avoid shaving the same day of your float. Try to avoid caffeine for 2 to 3 hours prior. If you recently did any type of hair color, wait 48 hours or bring a swim cap to cover your hair. We also have caps available at our facility if you need one. If you can, fill out our online waiver ahead of time or arrive 20 minutes early so we can get you all set and start your float session on time. Once you arrive, we'll remind you to silence your cell phone and use the restroom if needed. A staff member will show you to your float suite when it's time for your session. While there's a lot of information in this video, know that you don't have to remember it all. We'll make sure you're comfortable before you begin. There are also pre- and post-float reminders in the suite to assist you. In the studio, there's a shower and changing area with hooks to hang your clothing. There are also disposable makeup remover towelettes and a cotton washcloth to remove all makeup. We also supply shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Once you're ready to begin, lock the suite door and begin to prepare your body and your mind. To get started, take the silicone earplugs, gently tear it in half, and roll each part into a ball. Place them into your outer ear area, not the inner ear canal. This secures the inner ear canal from salt water. Earplugs are optional, but we strongly suggest using them to prevent ear discomfort after your float. When ready, step into the shower area for your 6-minute pre-float shower using the washcloth, body wash, and shampoo only. We ask that you only use conditioner after your float. The pre-float shower is meant to remove any lotions, deodorants, hair products, and body oil. All of this helps maintain the cleanliness and purity of our water. After your shower, carefully enter the float room using the handrail and gradually lower yourself into the seated area. Use the dry towel inside to remove dripping water from your face. You will not want to wipe away any dripping water with your hands because they'll be covered in salt once you've touched the water. If you need assistance at any point, notice a two-way intercom allows you to contact our staff, so please always feel safe. Gently move towards the center of the float room. If this is your first float experience, it's totally natural to take some time to figure out what the most comfortable position is for your body. Everyone is different. While some people don't need any assistance to float, others may choose to use a flotation device for their head to relieve pressure from the neck area, or a float noodle to relieve any discomfort in their back. Over time, as you truly begin to relax and become more comfortable floating, the need for these float devices may change. Once you have found a comfortable position, allow your head and body to fully relax in the magnesium-rich water. Slow your breathing and your thoughts to allow yourself to enter a time for physical and mental restoration. There are music and meditation options for you to choose from. Our staff member will ask about your preferences before your session. Regardless of what you pick, know that you're in total control of your volume and can turn the volume knob to lower the volume or turn the audio completely off. You also have control of your lighting options during your float. There's a light button which you push to turn the lights off. If you want to experiment with different lighting options, you can press the button again to choose a different option. If and when you want a complete sensory and gravity-free session, turn both the music and lights off. For some, this provides ultimate accelerated restoration. Don't worry about time during your float. Once the session comes to an end, lighting outside the float room turns on to notify you the session has ended. If you're so relaxed you don't see the light right away, the filtration pump will begin to cycle, which is a second reminder that your session is over. Using the handrail, please slowly and carefully stand up to exit the float room for your post-float shower. Whether you've used earplugs or not, we've found it beneficial to use the provided ear rinse solution in case any salt water has entered your ear canal. Take the ear rinse solution and place a few drops into each ear and wait a few seconds. Then gently allow the shower water to rinse the solution from the ear area. Then continue the post-float shower using the provided body wash, shampoo, and conditioner if needed. Once you've dried off, you can either redress or use a provided robe and move to our Ready Room. There, you can use provided supplies or bring your own to prepare for whatever is next in your day. Thank you from Aches Away. We hope to see you soon.